Hello everyone, welcome back to SG Riders. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular scooters in the world, the 2026 Honda Activa 7G from Honda. The new Activa 7G comes with a crazy new look, modern technology, and improved performance, making it an exciting upgrade for daily riders. Let's start with the design and styling. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G features a fresh and modern design that looks more stylish than previous models. The front apron has been redesigned with sharper lines and a more premium appearance. The body panels look smoother and more aerodynamic, giving the scooter a modern urban style. One of the biggest highlights is the new LED headlight system. The LED headlights are brighter and more efficient, improving visibility during night rides. Along with that, the scooter also features sleek LED daytime running lights, giving it a premium and futuristic look on the road. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The Activa 7G is expected to come with a 109 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. This engine is designed for daily commuting and provides a great balance between power and fuel efficiency. Riders can expect around 7 to 8 horsepower, which is perfect for city rides and short trips. The engine uses Honda's enhanced smart power technology, which improves fuel efficiency and reduces friction inside the engine. This means the scooter runs smoothly while also giving better mileage. Another important feature is the silent start system, which allows the scooter to start quietly without the usual engine noise. This makes the riding experience more comfortable and modern. Now let's look at the technology and digital display. The 2026 Activa 7G may feature a modern TFT or semi-digital display that shows important information like speed, fuel level, trip meter, and service reminders. The display is easy to read and adds a premium touch to the scooter. Some models may also include Smart Key technology, allowing riders to unlock the scooter and start it without inserting a traditional key. This feature improves both convenience and security. Moving to comfort and practicality, the Activa 7G is designed for everyday riders. The seat is wide and comfortable, making long city rides easier. The scooter also provides good under-seat storage space where you can keep a helmet or other small items. The suspension system helps absorb bumps on rough roads, making the ride smoother even on uneven streets. Now let's talk about the new color options. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G is expected to come in several attractive colors such as glossy black, metallic blue, pearl white, and stylish red shades. These color options make the scooter look more modern and appealing to younger riders as well. Overall, the Honda Activa 7G 2026 combines style, reliability, fuel efficiency, and modern technology, making it one of the best scooters for daily commuting. So that's all for today's video on the 2026 Honda Activa 7G. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SG Riders for more amazing bike and scooter reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Motorcycle Sparkles.